Good morning, student. Today I will tell you about fission, which is one of the type of asexual reproduction. Fission means a splitting of body into equal halves. If body splits into equal halves, then such a splitting is called fission. Generally, in all the protozoan, the method of asexual reproduction is fission. There are two types of fission: binary fission and multiple fission. In binary fission, parent body splits into two identical halves, whereas in multiple fission, parent body splits into more than two identical halves. In binary fission, the size of daughter cells are larger, whereas in multiple fission, the size of daughter cells are smaller. Binary fission occurs during favorable condition in the case of amoeba, and multiple fission occurs during unfavorable condition in the case of amoeba. In binary fission, offspring are produced from mitosis. Mitosis means nuclear division immediately get followed by cytokinesis. If nuclear division happens and just after nuclear division cytokinesis take place, then such cell division is known as mitosis. Whereas in the case of multiple fission, offspring are produced by omitosis. Omitosis means nuclear division not get immediately followed by cytokinesis. Means nuclear division happened, but cytokinesis not happened. As a result, time to time, new nucleus starts forming inside the cytoplasm of parent cell, and when the cytoplasm of parent cell becomes full of newly formed many nucleus, then after cytokinesis happens, and after cytokinesis cell splits, and when cell meaning parent cell splits, then many small daughter cells of identical form develops. Thanks now.